Have you ever tried to open a door and found you just couldn't manage? We've got a product for you. The Doorknob Glove. Open doors with authority. Never worry about losing your grip on a doorknob or your sanity ever again. Hey lady! I'm a lady. I have a question. What's the greatest challenge in your daily life?
Probably opening doors.
Not surprisingly, that is a common answer.
Really?
Really. Opportunity knocks. Wowzers! Now, go give that knob a try. But wait, that's not all. If you call now, you'll get one free new year.
Is that a 2022?
Fresh off the press.
Wow.
The year includes 365 individual days, 24 hours each. That's right, folks. That's 8,760 hours absolutely free. Did you think that's all? Not even close. If you order in the next 15 minutes, you'll get one wish, but you can't ever tell anyone that you got the wish. And when it comes true, you can never tell anyone where you got it from. And if you do, things will go very badly. It works! Really?